Hi, this is Kurt Bennick at ForConstructionPros.com. We're here with Jared Morris at JPM Enterprises, and we're here to talk a little bit about, you had a fleet of Western Star trucks and you're also a customer here at Truck Country. Can you tell us a little bit about the Western Star and why you chose the Western Star brand versus some of the other brands?
Well, we've got 4 Western Star trucks right now. We've got 3 dump trucks and 1 tractor. The thing that I think most of all has got us to the Western Star is just the durability of the truck and the luxuries inside, you know, the seats and the smoothness of the ride. This one has the Eaton Fuller transmission, the automatic, so the no shifting. It just makes it really smooth going down the road, shifting. You get a lot of different drivers in this truck, so it's nice to have the automatic instead of somebody, you know, possibly shifting and not knowing exactly what they're doing.
The dealership here is an elite support dealer network. How important is support to you, and how much is the dealer support?
Well, I think it's very important. I think the service here is top notch, and that's another reason why we came to Truck Country with the Western Star brand. These guys have treated us hands down by far just superior. It doesn't matter how many trucks I have, I get treated the same way as if I bought 100 trucks from them. Customer service wise and service wise, I've called my salesman multiple times saying, oh, something's wrong with the truck. They send somebody out to get it, they bring it in, they'll give me another truck to use, which is obviously very important.
Yes.
You can't be down with a truck, especially when we only got 3, you know, 3 dump trucks. So I think most of all, I think that's the most important thing when it's all said and done with the whole process. We're always on the go. The trucks are always moving. So if we have some downtime, it really hurts our business.
It sounds like you've been a long-term customer. Your oldest truck is a 2006?
Yeah, it's 2005.
2005?
So we bought that, I think in 2004, we bought it brand new. And then we had it for a while. We started to grow our fleet a little bit. We bought a leftover 2012 and put an aluminum box on it. Both these trucks have the cheater axle on them, and then bought this one a year ago, and then just 1st of March took place of our new tractor to pull our excavators with, the lowboy.
So you have a lowboy set up for pulling heavy haul?
Yep. So that pulls a dozer, 3-4 excavators, and we haven't had one lick of problems with that. It's unbelievable truck, very sharp. The lines of the truck, it's hands down. It's a great product.
Well, it doesn't sound like you've needed it much, but in the times you have needed it, what's our parts support been like?
Actually, it's been really good. I call my salesman usually first, and he gets on it, and then we kind of go from there. And then he may have a service guy call me, or try to maybe figure out the problem why I'm sitting there broke down, instead of taking a whole bunch of time, coming, bringing the truck here back and forth.
So it's all about uptime and keeping
everything's about time. Because we don't have time to be sitting around or somebody just sitting down broke on the side of the road. It's very, very important to keep the wheels turning.
Okay. Well, Jared, thanks a lot for...
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it.